Introducing Priority ERP, an open, scalable, AI-native cloud ERP platform that empowers organizations from various industries to manage their businesses smarter. Let's zoom into the system. Priority delivers comprehensive ERP functionalities for finance, CRM, sales, purchasing, production, project management, WMS, and more. Priority's AI ERP companion acts as your intelligent assistant and proactive advisor with a variety of autonomous agents, helping you perform tasks faster and reduce errors. The dashboard offers a comprehensive bird's-eye view of your pending tasks and overall status. With flexible personalization options, you can intuitively cluster widgets to fit your unique workflow, keeping your daily tools and preferred items accessible. AI ERP lets you interact with the system using natural language, making search and actions effortless. You can trigger agent-driven tasks like pulling customer snapshots, generating quotes or sales orders, and getting instant data and recommendations. Priority's menus are packed with functionality. Take the finance module. Beyond standard accounts receivable, accounts payable, and ledgers, it extends into tools like budget control and cost allocation. Priority's agents simplify your day-to-day tasks, automating routines like financial close. Take reconciliation as an example. AI-assisted matching catches transactions that traditional rules miss. By embedding smart agents across finance, supply chain, sales, and more, Priority removes the friction, letting your team focus on what truly matters. Priority's native WMS includes AI that adds intelligence to every step of the supply chain. From AI-powered demand forecasting, advanced delivery planning, and proof of delivery, you gain end-to-end, real-time visibility. Whether you're running discrete, process, or make-to-order manufacturing, Priority gives you complete control. From BOM-driven planning that keeps materials in sync, to scanning-enabled end-to-end traceability and built-in QA that tracks and validates every component. Priority's ready-to-use and easy-to-build, no-code custom portals allow customers and suppliers to interact directly with your ERP, improving their experience, speeding up response times, and increasing visibility. Priority Mobile lets you access your ERP on the go. Our out-of-the-box applications allow warehouse teams to manage inventory. Field technicians, sales reps, and delivery drivers can complete tasks like purchasing, barcode scanning, and proof of delivery collection. For unique business needs, you can build your own custom applications using the mobile app generator. Priority's intelligent workflows let you design business processes by defining steps, permitted paths, and automations, or simply describing the role you need, and Priority creates it on the spot. The Automation Hub brings the full range of automations to life, from autofilling data to enforcing business rules, streamlining work processes, and reducing errors across the board. Priority Analytics puts the full picture at your fingertips with ready-made dashboards, or build your own charts and reports and make them your own. Gain AI-generated insights, executive summaries, statistical breakdowns, or a side-by-side comparison that translates the numbers into clear, actionable insights. Priority's open platform connects you to hundreds of integrations, and with built-in MCP server support, you can connect your own AI agents and LLMs. With over 40 years of experience and recognition from leading analysts like Gartner, IDC, and TEC, Priority has become the trusted partner for more than 75,000 businesses worldwide. Explore Priority ERP today.